Today, I am reviewing the Byrna SD Self-Defense Kinetic Projectile Launcher. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. When looking for a reliable way to protect your home and your family without the heavy legal and moral weight of a traditional firearm, the Byrna SD Kinetic Launcher stands out as a top-tier choice in the non-lethal market. After spending a significant amount of time handling the hardware and testing its performance on the range, it is clear that this is not just a toy or a simple air gun, but a serious self-defense tool that has been engineered with professional standards in mind. One of the first things you notice when you hold the Byrna SD is the improved ergonomics. Building on the success of the older HD series, this newer SD model features a re-engineered straight trigger that provides a much more crisp and predictable break. This is vital in a high-stress situation where you need consistency. The honeycomb grip is another major upgrade, feeling sticky and secure in the palm of even a sweaty hand, which gives you the confidence that the launcher will not slip when you need it most. The sights have also been improved, allowing for much faster target acquisition. In a defensive scenario, those extra fractions of a second spent lining up a shot can make all the difference, and Byrna has clearly listened to user feedback here. What makes this the ultimate bundle is the sheer amount of equipment you get right out of the box. You're not just getting the launcher itself, you're getting a complete ecosystem for training and defense. The inclusion of the eco-kinetic training rounds and the extra 50-count bag of kinetic projectiles means you can actually spend time practicing. This is the most overlooked part of self-defense. Having the tool is one thing, but being proficient with it is another. Because the Byrna SD fires at an average speed of 300 feet per second, you get a very realistic sense of trajectory and impact without the extreme noise or recoil of a gunpowder-based weapon. The range is particularly impressive, reaching effectively up to 60 feet. This distance is crucial because it allows you to neutralize a threat long before they get within reaching distance of you or your doorway. The projectiles are powered by 8-gram CO2 canisters, and the bundle provides 7 of them, ensuring you have plenty of air for both practice sessions and active duty. One of the best design choices is the ambidextrous safety switch. Whether you are left-handed or right-handed, or if you find yourself in a situation where you have to use your non-dominant hand, the fire and safe toggle is easily accessible and clicks firmly into place. From a legal and accessibility standpoint, the Byrna SD is a game changer. The fact that it requires no background checks or special permits in most jurisdictions makes it an accessible option for law-abiding citizens who want protection immediately. It looks like a traditional sidearm and functions with a similar manual of arms, which acts as a powerful visual deterrent. Often, simply drawing a tool that looks this professional is enough to de-escalate a situation before a single round is even fired. The philosophy behind this product is to defend lives rather than take them, and that mission is reflected in every design choice. It feels rugged, looks professional, and operates with a level of reliability that you would expect from something proudly assembled in the United States. For anyone who feels uncomfortable with lethal force but wants a proactive way to secure their personal space, the Byrna SD Ultimate Bundle offers a comprehensive, high-performance solution that bridges the gap between doing nothing and using a lethal firearm. It is powerful, easy to use, and provides the peace of mind that comes from knowing you are prepared for the unexpected.